Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the new Kraken. First, understand that obtaining this legendary item requires dedication and strategic planning. You'll need to complete a series of challenging quests and gather unique resources. We'll walk through each stage, ensuring you have all the information to successfully add the new Kraken to your collection. Let's dive into the details. To begin, ensure your character has reached at least level 50. Next, you'll need to accumulate $15,000 gold pieces and locate 3 specific rare gems scattered across the map. These gems are often found in high-risk areas, so prepare for combat. Finally, you must defeat the formidable Ancient Guardian boss, a true test of skill and strategy. Success in these steps is crucial. For a smoother acquisition, consider forming a strong team. Teamwork significantly increases your chances against the Ancient Guardian. Research the boss's elemental weaknesses and equip your team accordingly to maximize damage output. Efficiently prioritize your resource gathering by focusing on high-yield areas and avoiding unnecessary detours. These advanced strategies will save you time and effort on your quest. Once the Ancient Guardian is defeated and all prerequisites are met, return to the quest giver to claim your magnificent new Kraken. Congratulations! You can now equip this legendary item and unleash its unique, powerful abilities in your adventures. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy exploring new horizons with your incredible new companion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.